guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we bring you a brand new video of this luxury investment in no other place than Genesis 28, and this apartment is located at 28 Waterloo Avenue in Kingston. The starting price for these units are $42,500,000 with size ranging from 1,270 square feet to 1,370 square feet. So guys, before we go any further into this video, if you're new, please remember to subscribe, leave us a like, leave us a comment, and we'll get right into it. So we'll be entering through the walk-in gate, which will be utilized by visitors. This big gate is for those who will be parking in the basement of this apartment, and you'll see as we enter on the inside. So this space is used for recreation, they say, as well as for parking. So this is just one of the parking areas. And as we go on the inside, this section will be a secured space with a security. So it's the lobby area for visitors. As you can see, the bathroom there to be used, and you will be welcome here by a security and wait on your person that you come to visit. In this area is also another parking spot which will be utilized by the occupants of the first to third floor. So this building is 6 floors with a total of 28 units, so the other persons will be able to park on the other side of the building. So as we go up the stairs, this section facing you right ahead will be glassed, and you'll be able to see the waterfall that flows from the roof of this apartment. So for your safety, the floors are being secured, so you'd need access card in order to get into the rooms of these apartments, as well as in order to access the room, a fingerprint will also be needed for you to open these doors. Alright guys, so now we're heading into the 1,270 square feet unit. As you enter, on your left you will see your powder room, and this also has a sliding door right here which separates it from your laundry area. So in this unit, your powder room and your laundry room is in one separate area separated by a sliding door. And we walk right into your living space and your kitchen area. So this is an open concept with quartz countertop. As you can see, your nice island, properly laid out kitchen, hardwood cupboards, and you see you have your nice big country sink right here. Wonderful facets with the backsplash. As I said before, this kitchen is properly laid out for you guys to enjoy your cooking. And along the side here, you have your 14 feet balcony area, so you can take that as your personal workout space if you wish. And we'll just walk right into the master bedroom. As you can see, the space is quite big. This unit, well, all units come with one AC unit installed. However, all rooms are piped to accommodate your AC, but you'll get one and you can install the others. Right here we have our master suite, where we'll just walk right into the closet area. As you can see, we have a lot of space inside here for you to hang your stuff and pack your clothes away. And before we go into the bathroom, we have a sliding door right here, and this will be a mirrored sliding door back and front. so you'll always be able to see yourselves out of the shower in the closet space. This is a beautiful bathroom. You have your nice shower over this side, all sliding doors with your rain shower head. And you also have a little area where you could pack your towels and stuff. Don't mind the noise in the background, guys. We're still in an active construction area, and we'll just take you over into the second bedroom, where we will find another beautiful space, also prepared to accommodate an AC unit. It also has its own closet space. And its own bathroom. So there will be proper lighting in these units. Also have the sliding door, which will be mirrored back and front. The lights are not yet installed, but they can see recessed lighting in some areas, so the space will be well lit. So now we're going to take a trip over to the 1,370 square feet unit and let you see how that one is laid out. So as we head along the side, for each stair access you will need to have your access card for security. As we enter, you'll see your wash area on the left hand side. It's quite a nice size space to accommodate your washer, your dryer, and also a little sink. And we'll just walk right into this wonderful big open living, dining, and kitchen area. So you can see that the kitchen in this unit is way bigger than the first one that we just looked at. It's the same countertops, same hardwood, same sink, but you just get more space to do whatever it is that you enjoy doing in your house. And as you can see, the lights are being installed, very high ceilings. And you also have your balcony on this side as well. We'll walk right into the powder room for this unit, just to show you. And this is just the natural light that is coming from the outside through the big windows. Alright guys, so this is the guest bedroom. And we'll just enter right into the bathroom, where you also have the same rain shower head with your walk-in shower. And along this side you'll find your toilet and your sink. And this is also a very beautiful space. You have your cupboard space in your bathroom. So I'm sure the females will enjoy doing their makeups in these bathrooms because the lighting is perfect. And on this side we have the closet space for the guest bedroom. And wow, this is a huge walk-in closet. You can literally put a chair inside here and just relax if you want. But this is a lot of space. Alright guys, so let's just walk right over into the master bedroom and let's see what that one looks like. So this is a nice size space as well, guys. Very beautiful. You have your walk-in closet on this side with a lot of space to put your stuff. And the bathroom is also lovely. You have your double vanity. Also have storage behind your mirror. Also have storage area for your linens, your towels, and your walk-in shower. Look at the details. Another thing to mention, guys, these windows will come with the mesh installed. So you'll just slide those mesh up or down, and you can always open your windows to let in some fresh air in the event you don't want to be using the AC. And might I add, these are not your regular doors. These are specially hanged. And remember your security lock with your fingerprint for your safety. Alright guys, so we're in the elevator and we're heading up to the roof to show you what's going on the top floor of this building.
The backside is, yeah.
Like I said, it was only one unit that was available.
That's
But
good.
if you guys are interested, here on first.
Alright guys, so we're here and this is the recreational area where you can hang out. If you have your guests over, it will be covered a bit, so you'll have space where you can chill. Over this side here we'll have your L-shaped pool, and this is actually not just a dipping pool, but you can actually swim inside this pool. So it will be an infinity L-shaped pool, so you can enjoy the view of Kingston City while you take your swim. And as you can see, work is still going on, but on this top floor we have a conference room as well as the gym area. The conference room is over that side.
Eating food is on this side.
And the person eating is right there. Alright guys, so this space right here will be used for a conference area. And then we'll just walk right into the gym.
Restroom. Yeah, and if you're having party, they separated. So.
Alright guys, so we're now in the gym area where you can always come and do your workout. That wall over there will be hanging a large screen TV. And as always, there has to be a mirror in the gym, which is right here. And guys, this here also houses a sauna. So this is going to be fabulous, guys. Around this area is mini theater. And this space can also be rented if you're planning a party or you have a little gathering with your friends. Then this is a good area to use. And also on this right hand side here we have the shower and the bathroom area for the gym. So after you burst all that sweat, you can always come, wash off, and go and relax. Or you can just go back on the outside where the pool is and just have a good time. So while we're on the outside relaxing on the roof, you can get a good view of the hills, as well as you get a wonderful view of the city That's half a tree that we're looking at right there. As you can see, the bus park. You can also see the wharf from this section, as well as the beautiful sea. So guys, imagine at night the view that you can get just from this area, just to relax the mind. So this is how the surrounding looks, and I'm sure that you will all enjoy this view. But just before we go, let's just give you a overhead view with the drone, and then you'll get a better picture of what I'm talking about. If you have not yet done so, please go right ahead and subscribe to this channel so that you can receive further updates on this and other developments. But even as we take a look around, I'll just tell you some of the other details of this apartment. So you have 2 points of entry, multi-level parking, electronic gate. You will have a theater room as shown in the video earlier, a standby generator, solar panel system that operates lighting, elevator and other common areas of this apartment. We have water harvesting for common areas, low maintenance area, 24 hours electronic monitored security system, as well as there are fire alarm systems with smoke and heat detectors, water heater, luxury bathrooms, infinity pool overlooking Kingston Harbor, city and mountain. And guys, the area is just beautiful. Also in the walkways there will be fire hose placed in the passage, as well as sprinklers are also aligned inside the units, inside the passage, in the event of a fire, so you are well protected. So if you need further details on this development or this apartment, feel free to contact Sophia Earle, and she can be contacted at 876-337-9825, and she'll be able to provide you with some additional information. So I hope you guys got enough details from this video. I hope you are well informed. Please go ahead, subscribe to the channel, like, share, and remember to leave us a comment down below. Again, thank you guys for watching. Thank you for joining us on this another property tour with ChriSamz. Feel free to suggest units, feel free to suggest schemes, properties that you'd like us to provide you with an update on, and we'll try our best to get it done. Remember to share with your friend as well, and please don't forget to subscribe. So until next time guys, have a good one.